I want to share with you what changed my life and has turned my world inside out in a good way. I was a single mom for 18 years, struggled financially constantly. My name is Cher if you don't know me, and I just want to be honest and speak from the heart about what my depression, my anxiety, and being so broke made me feel like such a failure. And I am now in a space and a place where I have grown exponentially. I have self-belief again, I have self-confidence again, and I am grateful that I found an opportunity that I can learn high income earning skills in order to create and have an online business. Guys, if you are unhappy where you're working, if you are not being appreciated where you're working, if you're not getting the finances that you deserve, right? And you're being dictated to by somebody whose dreams you're building, because when you're employed, you're building somebody else's dreams, then I want to offer you a solution. I work from home. I work 2 hours a day. I've mastered a 2-hour work day where I do my income earning activities. I don't have to deal with traffic anymore. I don't have to pay for fuel. I earn 100% profit, and it gets paid into my bank account. It doesn't go to somebody else first and then my bank account. I have a fully automated system that works on autopilot for me 24/7, that does the telling, the selling, and the closing. I had to set it up once. You don't have to be tech savvy. You don't need to know tech, because you get shown how to do it step by step, how to connect your PayPal and connect your bank account to the pre-built website that you are given. The automations you do once, guys. You build an email list and you're taught step by step how to attract your customers to you. I have to do 3 pieces of content today. That is what I am taught how to do. That is my current job. That is my current work. I am working as a digital marketer, and I am earning 100% profit daily. And I am making dollars, US dollars. You want to change your financial situation, and you want to learn new skills that are going to build wealth rather than just getting a salary. You can build it on the side, guys. Don't have to build it full time. Then put ready in the comments. I'd love to share with you.